Dear students, in last session we had seen this political parties, what is the difference between nationalist party and regional party, okay, and what are the conditions needed for become a nationalist party and regional party, okay, that is what the thing goes for. And we are having this 8 nationalist party in India, and we are going to see one by one, okay, that is what the thing. We had already seen the party Indian National Congress, and how when the party is founded, and who organized the party, and who is the president of this INC, Indian National Congress, shortly, and what are the policies and programs of Indian National Congress. That is the main thing you can able to say that, okay, that is what how the parties emerged because of this freedom struggle only, okay. And second, we are going to see in this section this about two parties. One is BJP and another one is CPA, okay. BJP, you know that Bharatiya Janata Party, and CPA is Communist Party of India, okay. That is what every party is having the symbol. You know that BJP party, the symbol is most probably lotus, okay. And you know that BJP is started the party in 1989, okay. That is what we can able to tell that that is what formerly that is what the term they are calling the term as Bharatiya Jana Sangh, okay. That is what the thing goes for. And what is the party main mottos is to build a strong modern India. That is the main thing you can able to tell that. And because of this Bharatiya Jana Sangh, and automatically Jana Singh, that is what the party itself first started with this Jan Singh only, and automatically the party is changed, the name is Bharatiya Janata Party, okay. That is what the term called as a. And it was the single largest party in 1996 and 1999 general election, and most probably came close to the majority in the Lok Sabha, winning nearly 182 seats. That is what the things goes for. And main thing is the party is having their main motto. It is always having this converting this drawing inspiration from this India's ancient cultures and values, and cultural nationalism, okay, is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics. That is what the main aim of this party. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee, you know that once upon a time he is the president of the Prime Minister of India, and most probably he is not still alive. And at that time only 11 days he had Prime Minister of India, and after that he cannot able to have this majority in the Lok Sabha, he comes down, okay. That is what the thing. And after that you can able to say that he formed the alliance with that is what the alliance is the NDA, National Democratic Alliance, and most probably they gone for alliance, and most probably they win in the election, what you can able to tell that 2004 Lok Sabha election also, okay. That is what the thing goes for. And the thing is most probably what we can able to tell the term as a National Democratic Alliance, okay. And what are the main policies and programs of this BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party? Most probably it shows the objective of public funding of election with the allies in the NDA. That's what the National Democratic Alliance with the other party coalition. And the main policies is creation of small states, okay. That is what many number of states is created, and earlier we are having only 24 states, and now they had created nearly 28 states. You know that they have created newly formed union territory also. And what the thing is most probably you can able to say that this Jammu and Kashmir and this Ladakh region, after the removal of Article 370, okay, they had created this new union territory also. And creating about millions of jobs per year. That is what their motto, whether they are doing or not. That is the policies and programs, okay. And they are, what is the thing is most probably it need to give a equal opportunity and privileges to all minority sections of the society, okay, to deal with the cases of communal violence speedily, okay. That is what the cases which are having this communal violence based on religious and based on the social division, and it should be done in a speedy manner. That is what the thing goes for. And establish National Security Council for strengthening the defense of the country. That is the main thing you can able to tell that, okay. That is what the defense of the country most probably. And to forming this uniform civil code for all people. That is what after the removal of Article 370 only, most probably the entire India is going to be have this Indian constitution in a more manner. Before that, Jammu and Kashmir has a special status in the constitution. You know that so that only the country is most probably because of the security. Establish National Security Council for strengthening the defense of the country, and review the nuclear weapons policy. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And forming the uniform civil code, that is the important thing. You can able to say that. Okay, one is they want to be build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. Okay, that is what the main policies and programs of BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. And last two election only they come to a force in ruling the central government as a ruling party. You know that that is the thing. Okay, this is what about BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. And next comes for Communist Party of India. You know that the symbol is sickle with this paddy. Okay, that is what the party symbol. And you can able to say that the Communist Party of India is a left-wing political party. Okay, every party there is having a left-wing and right-wing party. That is what the difference between this left-wing and right-wing. And left-wing party always goes for all issues. You know that organizing a meeting or anything. And the right-wing party most probably they will go on based on religious basis. Okay, that is what they will always interest in having this religious beliefs in a more manner. Every party is having this left wing and right wing. That is what the thing goes for. That is what we can able to tell as a left wing political party. And that is they want to have this religious and all the things most probably. In Indian Communist government there are different views on exactly. Okay, that is what when Indian Communist Party was formed. Okay, that is what most probably this origin is. You know that the single party system which China is adopted. You know, might have studied in this party system. Okay, that is what the things with that only that the date is maintained as the foundation day by CPI is 26th December and 1925. Okay, this is what the party is founded on 26th December 1925. But the Communist Party of India, that is what it is separated. This Marxist Communist Party, which is separated from the CPI, claims that the party was founded in 1920. Okay, that is what the thing goes for most probably. And the party is Marxist Communist Party. You can able to tell that sickle with hammer. Okay, that is what the party main thing is. And what is the policy and programs of this Communist Party of India? What is the main policy? To nationalize units of production and service in order to remove economic and social disparities. There should not be any social disparities or division in India. That is what the main policies. And to oppose both imperialism and capitalism. Okay, that is what the things goes for, which are the sources of all misery. Okay, they are always they are going favor of this. You can able to believes in Marxism and Leninism. Okay, that is what this party, Communist Party of India, which is having the sickle with paddy. Okay, that is what the symbol. And they always follow the policy of Marxism and Leninism, secularism and democracy. That is the main thing goes for. And oppose the forces what we can able to tell that imperialism and capitalism. Okay, they doesn't have this capitalism. And to align with they need to have this friendly relationship with the socialist countries. Okay, which are the countries most probably more social? That is the country they are having. They need to align with this socialist country. And to improve the condition of working class, they are most probably dominant in organizing this industrial worker in a more manner. This parties got originated and more well versed in the state of that is what you can able to tell the term is the state of West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura. These are the three states. This party is going to be dominant. Okay, that is what and this party helps for the condition of working class people. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And to preserve the cottage and scale industry. Okay, that is what the small scale industry most probably that is what the thing goes for. And that is what the thing goes for. And free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. That is what the main aim of the thing goes for this party. Okay, that is the thing goes for. And in West Bengal, you know that 30 years they are having, they are as a ruling party in West Bengal. In 2004 election, it's won about 6% of votes and 43 seats in the Lok Sabha. Okay, and most probably last election, they are having the supporters with UPA. That is what United Progressive Alliance, from outside only, without joining the government. That is what the things most probably done by this Communist Party of India, and that is the thing most probably you can able to say that. Okay, and you know that these two parties are dominant in this West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, and you can able to tell that some parts of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu also. Okay, this the party is most probably this sickle with the grass. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And next what is Marxist Communist Party. Okay, that is what the things goes for. CPIM, that is what the term they will call as a CPIM. The party is having the symbol this sickle with hammer. Okay, that is the main thing you can able to tell that. And it is founded in 1964, and it always believes this that is what the things you can able to tell that it always believes in Marxism and Leninism. Okay, that is what the Lenin followers. And this CPI emerged out of a division with the Communist Party of India. The undivided CPI had experienced a period of upsurge during the years following the Second World War. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. The CPI led armed rebellion in Telangana, Tripura and Kerala. Okay, there's so that this party is more dominant in this region, and that is what they are having this armed revolution in favor of this working with the parliamentary framework. Okay, in the 1950, this B.T. Ranade, the CPI General Secretary and a prominent respective of the radical sector inside the party, was demoted on grounds of left adventurism. Okay, that is what the things most probably you can able to. They are dominant in this West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura. This party is very dominant, and they are going for doing favor for this factory workers, farmers, agriculture laborers and all the things. Okay, that is the main thing. And they allow free flow of foreign capital and goods also. That is what the main thing you can able to tell them. And what are the policies and programs you can able to say that right to work is made to be a fundamental right. Okay, that is what the policies. And unemployment allowance to be given to the unemployed. Okay, that is what the thing. And to establish economic equality with equal and fair wage structure, and to nationalize all foreign investment and all monopolies. Okay, that is what the to you can able to tell that to a free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country in a more manner. That is what they are willingness. And separation of religion from politics. That is what their main motto also. To distribute the land of the big landlords among the landless workers. You can able to distribute the land to the landless people. That is what the thing goes for. And they need to have this foreign relationship, establish close relationship with the socialist countries. Okay, that is what the Russia, and pull out of the Commonwealth of resist imperialism. That is what the imperialism is followed by a certain country, and they doesn't want to follow this imperialism. That is what the things most probably. Okay, that is a thing about this BJP party, Communist Party of India and Marxist Communist Party. Okay, that is what the thing. You want to note it down, what are the policies and programs of BJP, and what is the symbol of BJP. That is what the thing. And what are the symbols of this Communist Party of India, CPI, and Marxist Communist Party of India. Okay, that is what the two things they are having. The sickle, and the sickle with the hammer is Marxist Communist Party, and sickle with the grass is Communist Party of India. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And unfortunately, last election, this Communist Party of India and Marxist Communist Party loses its nationalist party status, because they cannot able to get even 6% of votes in the last election. Okay, that is what you know that what is the condition to become a nationalist party of India. So last election they lose the status of nationalist party of India. That is what the thing, main thing you can able to say that. Okay, and thank you for attention. And next section we can able to see this National Congress Party. Okay, that is what the thing. And about BSP, Bahujan Samajwadi Party. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you.